Hello everybody, this is Alpha, with another video for you today. You'll remember this thing, don't you? From my, well, low FPS loadout video. Well, this Retaliator, it's time it got a bit of an upgrade. Still shooting full darts. And, well, we can't have that, can we? Full darts, they're not as good in more or less any way. The only advantage is you can get them off the shelves. Although now the half darts will come out on the shelves in the US, it is definitely time that we change this. So, let's begin. Now, first off, I won't be using a very strong spring for this, either 5 or 9 kilo. The only difference is, this 9 kilo is from Worker and this 5 kilo is from Blaster Tech. They both use different ways of rating their spring power. The 9 kilo is a little stronger as expected. Not sure if it's 4 kilos more than this one. I'd have to probably test that sometime, but I think I'll stick with the 5 kilo for now. If that's not getting good enough performance, swap back over to this. The advantage of a Retaliator is just take off the end cap and you're able to access the spring pretty easily. The catch doesn't need to be replaced, although it already has a stronger catch spring in it when I originally did the upgrades. It is an orange trigger from America. I just leave the orange trigger in there, so it's got a little bit of orange on it. And yes, this will have an orange tip. This will never be without a pump kit, which will never be without an orange tip. So you don't need to worry about this. This was only on there because it was on another blaster that is now retiring to take the place of a loner using this breach. Or I might use this as brass. The Worker version of this, very nice for $5. It's definitely worth getting, but still, full length, not going to be useful anymore. This is a nice cheap kit. You can get $20, you get a spring and a breach. For $20, doesn't even need an upgraded bolt sled unless you're going 9 kilos, maybe then, and you can get the blue plastic one. Just got it from, yeah, it's less than $20 from Blaster Tech, and it's quite nice. The inside here, we've got the inserts with the brass. The old type have the longer bit compared to the new ones. Don't have the old one, the new one with me right now, sorry, to show you. But these are a bit longer, so they do stick out more for the older type pump grip. Not as good for strength, but we don't need it. This is meant to be still for low FPS games, but a lot better than the old version. Kind of swap completely to half darts and only use full lengths for loners. As the mags, they're easier to find. But we'll be using this easy mag adapter since, well, I've still got it from the people that used to watch before the 100 subscriber limit. I got this for the higher power Retaliator that I did. That is also now retired. The shell just didn't want to keep taking the stress. The bolt sled broke. So I will be doing another higher power Retaliator build, but it'll most likely be in a Prophecy shell, just because they look a lot nicer. So yeah, that 5 kilo spring will sit in there nicely. I don't expect high FPS, and that's not the idea. The idea is just superior accuracy. That is the reason I swapped over to half darts in the first place. Oh, and the fact that I can hold about double the amount in the same amount of space. But yeah, this kit should provide me more accuracy than your standard darts, and it should provide me with a bit more range as well, which would be a nice side effect. May eventually add some brass to the end of this, but we shall see. I think of this blaster? Overall, I'm happy with it. Still got the 5 kilo spring in there, did end up deciding to go with that. And it fires quite well. Everyone loves good firing, right? Anyway, so this will still be my primary for the foreseeable future for the lower FPS wars. I just wanted the added accuracy of the half darts, even in the lower FPS stuff. It's got the nice easy mag adapter that I got a few years back, and it's overall really nice. Links to all parts that you need down in the description below if you do want to try this for yourself. Honestly, if you're considering getting a half dart bridge and you're not into making them yourself, this one's a pretty good one to start off with. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. I shall see you all next time.